What's up, guys? Welcome. First off is an update on the Porsche. Basically, as you saw in the last video, it's on the rotisserie. Some reinforcements are welded into it. I've started buying some new panels for it. I have the rocker on the passenger side all cut out. So I've just been removing rust from there. So as you can see, I've taken the fender. I've taken the fender plate off. I've taken the door piece off. I cut out the old seat mount and kind of mocked up the new one. This is from Restoration Design. So that's going to get cut up and lined up and then welded in. I did cut the heat tube out. My reason in doing that is that was kind of rusty and old, and I really don't have a reason to run heat in the car. The headers that are going to be in it, no matter what engine in it is going to go into it, isn't going to work with the stock heat exchanger and heat tube setup. So I figured I'll just eliminate it. I'll get rid of the heat vent in the floor. I don't know if it really affects the value of it or how much that might, but basically I'm just gonna cap those tubes and gonna run no heat. The next piece I have going in is gonna be right here. So once I get this inner seat rail piece, inner longitudinal piece lined up and welded in, I'll take care of some more rust there, and then I'll put this piece in. So basically just taking care of that passenger side, just taking care of that. Next is DGM stuff. If you haven't looked at our website and you're interested in shop organization tools, we do have about 7 tools in the shop organization section. So our new products are a hose holder and an IK bottle holder. So check those out if you guys are detail guys. If you're interested in having a clean shop, you know, that's one of the main purposes of our business, is to create products that do. Some of those products are here. These are polisher holders. These are going to Definitive Details. We even put their custom logo on there. There's 2 of them. And it's actually waiting on the next thing I want to talk about, which is powder coating. We're going to be offering powder coating soon. We did build this oven, all custom made by us. So here's the inside. We got the rack in there. And here's going to be our spray booth. So if you guys need anything refinished for automotive or for motorcycles, guns, whatever it is, if you want anything powder coated, hit us up. You can message me on Instagram, you can message me on Facebook, or message DGM, whatever. Get a hold of us and let us know what you want. So here's a neat little project. This is for Richie's Chaser. There's center caps for the raised wheels. They even have the Chaser logo in it. So once I get this fit right, I'm not sure if this is going to work, but hopefully it snaps in for the center cap. This is 3D printed, obviously. Once I get this to work, then you know, we can put any custom logo in there you guys want. But these are going to be for the raised wheels. Alright guys, we're knocking out some plates for a customer. Got 10 of them done. Carter's on the plasma table, I'm on the drill press. So it's the next day, and we got the powder coating gun and system in, and we're hooking it up now. Zach went to Menards so that we could get some things to hook it up, like a new whip hose. And I'm just gonna hook it up right here. So this is the system. Gonna mount it above the compressor. And then I'm gonna drill a hole in the side of the enclosure, and the spray booth is gonna be in here. So the rack will be placed in here with powder, and then it'll go into the oven. And we just put the switch box on it. All right guys, it's a new day. It's Saturday at the shop again. We just finished making those 50 plates, and here they are. So, quite a bit of work to get those done. CNC cut on the plasma table, and then brought over to the drill press, and the holes were cleaned up. So, customer's picking those up later today. Also, we have kind of the rack finished up for the powder coating oven. Got the wheels on it. Got some parts hung up there. Do have to sandblast these, but other than that, we're pretty excited and ready to powder coat. Next on the agenda for today is working on the Porsche. I try to carve out time during the week from doing DGM stuff to get to be able to work on the Porsche. So again, I'm just working on this inner seat rail. I marked out where I need to cut, and so I'm going to cut that out right now and then see if I can massage in that new piece. I just picked up this air cutter, as they call it, Harbor Freight Special, because what I was using was a plasma torch, and that was kind of cutting through some things I didn't want it to cut through. It was making a really big slag on the edge, and just really not a nice cut to weld the new piece to, not straight enough. And then I tried a body saw. The body saw didn't cut through it. A sawzall is way too big. Also tried an angle cutter, or whatever you call this. It's straight, and I needed something with a 90-degree angle so that I can get into that piece with, obviously the guard on it. So here we go. We're gonna try this, set it up. Hey guys, so back at the shop. It's actually Monday. Didn't get as much done on anything in the weekend as I wanted to. Didn't even work on the Porsche. Had a little issue with the compressor. Had some water in it that I had to drain out, and then the drain actually was corroded enough to where I needed to replace it and wasn't able to use anything with air. So I'm gonna get that fixed today. I'm gonna get another dryer in the line there, or actually a water separator. A dryer is something that we should get long term, so we'll do that. If I said in this video yet, but still working on Richie's center caps for his rays on the Laurel. Those are printing right now. What else? We're going to be putting a display together. We're actually going to be at WECFest in the driver's gallery booth. We're going to have our driver's gallery manufacturing shop organization products. So look forward to that. Catch us there. We have some jacks in for our customer. We're going to drill those. So I have to come up with a jig so we can drill those fast. We're going to be drilling 50 of them. Then got the first part that I'm going to powder coat, sandblasted last night, and then we're going to get it in the oven. Got to preheat it, and then powder coat it and bake it on. So
press in until I hear that.
Dude, I gotta wrap up this video. It's been going like 2 weeks.
Ooh. clip, snap that back into place.
So it's Saturday at the shop, just kind of stopping in, watching Zach work on his vet. He left, so I just want to show you guys the first part we've powder coated here. So we got some settings to adjust, but just for a scrap piece, I mean, it turned out pretty well in the flat black that we're going to do pretty much all of our products in. And over here I have some of the Porsche parts that I've sandblasted, and I'm going to powder coat these in the same flat black. So right now just working on some of our products here. We're going to have those ready to go for WECFest. Working on a customer's polish holders. Those need to get sandblasted along with the rest of the stuff and then powder coated. So hopefully we can finish up kind of a display set for WECFest this week, get things sandblasted in the powder coating oven, and get that done. So it's been a couple weeks, and I'm gonna end the video there. Follow me at Classy S Chassis on Instagram. You guys probably actually already do, because that's probably where you found the video at. Follow Drivers Gallery Manufacturing. Let us know what we can help you make.